All right, guys, a day in the life of a roofer. I want to show you something. Here's a leak that was on a building. I want to show you kind of what caused it, kind of where it ended up, and why it can be difficult for a roofer to actually see where that leak's at, because it could come from way above before we actually find where it comes in the house. Right here is what I always call a problematic area. So there is some flashing that was underneath here, but one of the things that really stands out is this gutter dove into the shingle. It was running up underneath, and that caused a problem. For a roofer, it's always going to be problematic areas. How do we take care of those areas, build a really good system for those areas? But also, some other trades will actually make that worse. And in this case, it was a gutter. To be fair, they install gutters. They're not roofers, so they might not understand the dynamics of it. What's important about that is this is already a problematic area. These areas can leak if they're not done right, but then to add another bunch of water to go into that area, you're gonna cause problems. And you can start to see the effects of it right here. And then all the way down there, we actually have a leak also too. So it'll run down the paper that's underneath, and it was leaking down here in this area. Give your roofer some patience and some time, because sometimes they gotta figure out where it's coming from. For me, I'm always gonna go to these areas and fix. That's more than likely what caused that down there. So for me, I start here, and when I give you an estimate as a repair estimate, I'm gonna include this and all of the flashing down in here just to make sure that I get your problem and we're not coming back here multiple times.